Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a makeup tutorial, well, a quick one because I did some of this for my Instagram, so I thought why not share with you guys on YouTube. So today I am gonna show you how I do a natural little beat on my face, just like everyday makeup. And I decided to do my brows, and this tutorial is in another video, but I decided to put it all together for you guys to see how I do one brow or both my brows. But if you want to go and check that video out, I'll make sure to leave the link below how I do my everyday brows. But let's jump in to the other parts of the video of me beating my face. And if you guys like this type of videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and I'll make sure to do that again, and I'll leave all the links for you guys. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. So I've done my face with my foundation, and today I use the L'Oreal foundation mixed with my Revlon foundation, and they give this nice finish to my face, and it's for my everyday wear, so I like to use drugstore for everyday wear. I went in with my Sacha buttercup, and I'm also using Nyx Cosmetics in FAWN. So Sacha to set and the concealer to highlight. And I just blend that out with my beauty blender. I know that it looks hammered right now, but it is definitely working, and it is damp, not too wet, and it's just melting the thing so well. It's melting the makeup so well onto my skin. It's just gonna give a flawless finish. I just love using this concealer. It's one of the favorites, obviously, because we've been using it for a long time. And I just love the finish with it. It just sets everything in place for my powder and the rest of my foundation and stuff. Next, I'm using my Sacha buttercup. This is the portable one that you can take with you. Since I'm such a sweaty girl, I decided to get this one, and I really like it. It's not too messy, and you can take as much as you want and just pack it on and then blend it out for a nice finish. And I really like it because it sets my upper lip. I have to do this quite a lot on my lip because I have a sweaty top lip and a sweaty nose, so you girls gotta bake the nose and the lips. But you can do this whichever way you like. You do not have to bake too much or for too long. And I'm going to leave that on for a few seconds, like maybe a minute or two on certain areas, but then for everywhere else I just wipe it off after I put it on. I do not like to bake for too long because I do not have ashy looking makeup. Now we're going to be using my buttercup powder, and I've had this for a while, guys, because buttercup's been around for a long time and I really like this stuff. I bought this in House of Fraser quite a while now, and I really like the powder. It really nicely bronze up the face, give the life back into your face, if you know what I mean. Gives your face some definition. And I used to like using my NYX bronzer, but I just went back to my buttercup because it's really good, and it doesn't irritate my makeup. I mean, taking it off, you know, certain powders just lifts your makeup and you can't concealer off. This one is quite good, and I'm using this beautiful contour brush. I really love this powder. Next, I'm going to use my NYX blush and contour kit. I really like this because it really brightens up my cheeks. I have high cheekbones, I've got full cheeks, so I really need to highlight them a little bit. Be proud of your cheeks. And then I'm going to use the darker shade just to contour my cheeks as well. I don't need too much contouring on my cheeks because I've already got high cheekbones, but I like using it because it's really powerful and pigmented, and I just love the whole color it gives my skin. Next we're contouring that nose, and I just go in with a little bit and just put it in the crease and just blend it out. Always make sure to blend it out so you don't have any harsh lines, and it just blends everything all together nicely. So that's the finished look, guys. This is what my makeup came out looking like. I've used Itsmyrayerayexbhcosmetics palette to highlight, and I've got a nice combo from Makeup Revolution on my lips. But thanks guys for watching. If you want to see any more tutorials, make sure to comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in another one. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.